Today we're working on a big project together with Yulianna Art. She did all creation with special stones, semi-precious germs, and lots of painting like ocean. And I provided the wood, obviously the epoxy skill. So the wood we got straight from Ecuador. It's from a tree called Samania, official name, common name is monkey pot. So it was about more than 100 years old. It's from Amazon jungle. The idea of the project was like to make like two islands with mountains, like looks like Ecuador because the wood from Ecuador, and obviously we like ocean, so there's lots of ocean waves on it.
To say that it was inspiring work, it's nothing. When I first saw these two pieces of wood, I just had this idea right pumped into my mind that it should be two islands that can remind you about some warm, nice countries, that you took a vacation, you took your family, you spent your beautiful time there. And, you know, to have a coffee at this gorgeous dining table, or to have your breakfast and looking at this beautiful island with the ocean, it's absolutely stunning. It was absolutely inspiring for me to create this piece of artwork. It is a piece of artwork. It's not just a dining table. It's something very unique, something very special that you will never see again.
Well, obviously we use semi-precious stones to make mountains look natural.
Garnierit, ruby, kyanite and pyrit. These are the stones that we used in this table to create some mountain shapes and some beauty, some sparkles. In current times, it's a very popular technique to recreate gemstones, which called geodes, and this table has similar modern technique with recreation it.
It gives a lot of brightness and, you know, happiness, beautiful emotions. It brings up sunshine into your soul, I can say. It was standing in my gallery, and everybody was stopping by, and everybody remembered vacations, everybody remembered some resorts, everybody were thinking about beautiful times that they shared with their family and friends. So I hope that this table is going to be something special for a special family.